Knucklehead, here's how you do it. Got your wire, get your little orange thingy, push that on the wire, like so. Strip back a little piece of the wire,
I can't find piece of
like so. Alright. Shut up, Alexa. Alright, so here's what we want to do. This is what we want it to look like. Here's your wire. Here's your connector. These guys need to sit in there like that. Alright, so I don't know if you got the handy dandy crimping tool. This is what it looks like. This is what mine looks like anyhow. And I typically crimp on the smallest setting. So let's see here. Get that wire set in there flat. Crimp the wire. Should look nice. Nice and pretty like that. I wish my camera would focus, but it sucks sometimes. Anyway. Alright, and then so you want the yellow piece of wire, the yellow isolator or whatever it is, to sit in there. So I kind of force it down in there. Sometimes I'll bend the wire back so that it'll get in there nice and tight. And then I take my cool little crimping tool here and I use the biggest setting. And you don't have to crimp this one too tight because it's just holding that isolator in place. And there we go. So pink for my wiring harness is positive on these connectors. You'll see I marked them positive and negative. This is for the 2JZ vvt-i coil, and that little pull, I wrote that on there to remind me that you have to pull that up to be able to disconnect this plug out of the coil. It's kind of a, I think this is different than the OEM plugs, but I don't know. Yeah, and they do have this little clip in here that it doesn't need to be all the way in there, but it does help align the wire that if it's part of the way in there. And let's see. You look in there to see how they go up. So it goes like that to like yay. So and you should hear it click when it pops in there, and it'll fit in there nice and tight. Let's do the other one here real quick. I've already kind of got started on it. Let me finish what I had going on there. Alright, nice little squeezy jobby job on there. Kind of squeezed it a little too hard, but it'll be alright. And let's pop this guy in there until it goes clicky click. Click. And then just push the end in. That'll lock them into place. They should be locked into place. Presto changeo.